So these are the new Podpoi Capsules 2.0, the Capsule 2.0 in Podpoi. And they're all connected. So this one controls these ones. Any one of them can control the other three. So if I give that to Michelle here, if he ever does a quick push on the button, it changes my mode. So hella bright. Ooh. Hopefully I don't fall into the mud.
Oh wow, and the greens kind of match the grass. It's beautiful.
There's you can adjust how the universal brightness. There's various pages of modes. We're in the third page, which is the really bright modes. So it's super bright out. There's a lot of light left in the day. It looks like daytime. The sun just went behind the hills. And yet, these totally stand out, don't they? Stage bright. So, I'm excited. Podpoi 2.0 or Capsules 2.0. And so push and hold until they all go off. Hold. There we go. Radio controlled. Yeah, it's nice.